Okay guys, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Mike. Today's video is going to be a 10-minute gentle morning yoga for beginners. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay guys, so let's begin today's sequence coming into a butterfly pose. So let's bring the soles of the feet together, opening up the hips here. And feel free to wrap your hands around your toes. And your feet can be close to your body or they can be further away. Just find whatever feels nice today. And from here, let's sit up straight, nice straight spine, and feel free to close your eyes here. Start to come back to your breath. For some of us, our hips may be very tight this morning, so just be aware of that. See if you can just focus on opening up those hips with each exhale. Let's take one more breath here. And from here, let's come into a seated forward fold. So extending our legs out long, keeping the feet flexed towards us. Maybe give your legs a little shake, waking up the legs this morning. And then from here on your next inhale, let's bring our hands up towards the sky. And then exhale, melt forward. And just honor wherever you are today. So if your hands can only come to your shins or your knees, that's totally fine. If you can wrap them around your toes, that's great. But just honor and accept wherever you are today. And in this forward fold, really breathe into the back of the legs here. So waking up the calves, the hamstrings. Again, come back to your breath. See if you can melt a little bit forward with each exhale. Let's take one more breath here. And on your next exhale, slowly release. From here, we'll make our way onto our backs. And once we get to our backs, let's hug our knees in towards our chest. And you can wrap your arms around your knees. Rock side to side here, massaging the spine. And from here, we'll come into half happy baby. So let's start with our right leg. So extend the left leg out long. And then with your right hand, grab hold of the right foot. And then bring that right foot up towards the sky. You can rest your left hand on your left hip. Again, opening up the hips here. And on your next exhale, slowly, mindfully release. And then from here, we'll make our way into supine twist. So guiding the right knee over to the left side. Your right arm can come into a T. Just make sure you keep both shoulders firmly rooted in the mat here. Exhale, come back to center. We'll take it over to the other side. So extending that right leg long, hugging that left knee back in, and then grabbing that left foot with your left hand and bringing that left foot up towards the sky. Your right hand can rest on your right hip. Breathing here. And on your next exhale, slowly, mindfully release. And then from here, guiding the left knee over to the right, left arm coming into a T. Again, just make sure to keep both shoulders firmly rooted in the mat here. And exhale, slowly bring it back to center. From here, let's rock up and we'll come into all fours. So take your time getting there. And we'll warm up the core a little bit here. So in all fours, make sure your hands are stacked underneath your shoulders, keeping those fingers spread wide, knees underneath the hips. And from here, we'll extend the left arm out long and extend the right leg out long. And from here, let's just bring the right knee into the left elbow and really crunch your abs. So we'll just do 5 on each side here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release. From here, let's just take it over to the other side. So extend that right arm long, extend that left leg long. When you're ready, we got 5 on this side. Last one. Release. And from here, let's make our way into a high cobra. So making sure the hands are firmly rooted in the mat here, fingers are spread wide. Really open up the chest, open up the heart. Roll your shoulders back here, open up even more. Breathe. And exhale, we'll make our way into an extended child's pose. So bringing the knees as wide as the mat, big toes touching behind you. Extending the arms out long, resting the forehead in the mat. On your next exhale, let's release. And from here, we'll make our way up into a downward facing dog. Again, keeping the fingers spread wide, hands pushing into the mat. And feel free to pedal out your feet. Again, really breathing into the back of the legs here. And then when you're ready, let's just find a nice neutral position. We'll stay here. And on your next exhale, let's lower the knees down, and we'll finish the sequence up with a toe stand. So curling the toes and then simply just sitting back onto your heels. Your hands can just rest on your thighs. Breathing here, sending our feet some love. And then from here, let's make our way back into a seated position of your choice. And that wraps up our practice this morning. From here, let's bring our hands together at our hearts. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. I hope you all have amazing days. Thank you so much. Namaste.